In this video, you will learn how to install projector headlights on a 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove two plastic clips located towards the tops of each of the headlights. Remove two more plastic clips and four 10mm bolts as you see here. At the bottom of the front bumper, remove 14 7mm bolts. Now disconnect the fog light and bumper light harnesses. Remove three plastic clips towards the front of the fender well. Tug on the sides of the front bumper to release it from the quarter panels. Then remove the front bumper. Remove the plastic clip you see here. Remove the 10mm bolt you see here. Remove another 10mm bolt towards the side of the headlight. Remove two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight. Now we can remove the factory headlight and disconnect the headlight harness. Connect the headlight harness to the new projector headlight and place it in the stock location. Now replace everything in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.